Looking for the perfect blinds and shutters for your home? At North Blinds, we make the whole process simple, convenient, and completely hassle-free. We come directly to your home, bringing a wide range of samples so you can see exactly how different fabrics, colours, and styles look in your own home. Our experienced team helps you choose the perfect blinds to match your decor, lifestyle, and budget. Once you've chosen your blinds, we take precise measurements to ensure a perfect fit every time. Your made-to-measure blinds are then designed to your exact specifications. When your blinds are ready, our professional installers handle everything with care and attention to detail. The result? Stunning blinds, perfectly fitted, transforming your home.